Hello my friends, my name is Richard Weberg for those of you who do not know me, and in today's video I'm going to explain to you how you can get free organic traffic effortlessly using LinkedIn and AI. And I have already done a video about this. The title of it here on YouTube is How to Create Content on LinkedIn Without Writing a Word. And there have been some changes in Google's algorithm of how they, or I should say, in how they decide what ranks and what doesn't. Now, LinkedIn content has always ranked, but with the recent updates to Google search engine results, LinkedIn is ranking really high, meaning LinkedIn articles, even some posts on LinkedIn are ranking extremely high. So I already did this video, but the reason I'm doing this one is because I want to stress to all my subscribers and our fellow team members in our network marketing company that we're involved with to use what I explained in this video. And I will leave a link to this video. I won't show you today exactly how to do it. I'm going to show you why to do it and how important it is, because you can literally build a ton of organic traffic, which organic traffic is the holy grail of traffic. It's traffic that is coming to you because they have done a search and they're looking for that piece of content. And I'm going to talk about here buyer intent search terms of LinkedIn articles that are ranking, that have, when you get in those top results, you can drive tons of organic traffic to whatever offer you are promoting, like the offers that we promote, in our network marketing company that we're involved with. I write articles all the time. I write them myself, and I also use AI. But with this technique, I'm going to show you how this works. So make sure and pay attention. And in the description, I'll leave a link to this video, which will explain and show you exactly how to do it step by step, so that you can follow along with exactly what I did to put content on LinkedIn. And if you don't have LinkedIn, get a LinkedIn account and set up your profile and start writing articles with this method. So underneath this video, you can just click on my name. And once you click on my name, underneath the video right here, it'll bring you to my channel. And on my channel, just scroll down and you'll actually see the new series that I've been putting together with some new videos and some of my videos I've done not too long ago about how to get 10,000 website visitors a day, literally. And these videos will literally show you everything that we are doing to get over 10,000 visitors a day, make tons of leads and sales and signups to our network marketing business, and to some affiliate products, as well as Johnny's free book from Profitalize and his core marketing course there. And so this traffic series, it's a must watch, so when you're here, just look for the one that says how to create content on LinkedIn without writing a word. Right now, it's currently the 4th video in the series, but you can just click play all and it'll show them all over here on the right hand side or somewhere on your screen where you can see every video in the series, as I'm just putting this series together as of watching this video. But I really wanted to highlight this process with LinkedIn because it absolutely works, and I'm going to show you right now. So when I go to the Google search results and I go to the keyword that I typed in right before I queued up this video, buy targeted website traffic. Now, that can make you rank for different keywords surrounding buying targeted website traffic. But the search intent here is in purchasing, and that's what I want you to understand. So this is somebody looking would only type this in if they're looking to buy targeted website traffic. Okay, so this is buyer intent keywords. And buyer intent keywords are very important in SEO, organic traffic, because they bring people who are looking to buy to content, articles, all kinds of different articles. It's the same way in YouTube. There are buyer intent keywords, and there are keywords that are just informational. There are transactional keywords. There's all kinds of different types of keywords, but this is buyer intent. And you can see when I did that search, after you get past the sponsored ads here, LinkedIn is literally the fourth one down right here, LinkedIn. So they're ranking in the top 10 natural search results, organic search results. This article, which is totally written by AI. Okay, so if you followed along so far, I want you to understand this. This person, I can tell by reading the article that it is totally written by AI. So if you click that open in another tab, you come to the article and you can tell by the title alone. The title is Best Buy Web Traffic Sites, Our Experience. Now, that doesn't exactly make a lot of sense, Best Buy Web Traffic Sites, but it ranked for by targeted website traffic because of the keywords and the content that is written here. And if you were to read this article, most of you would be able to go, yeah, that looks like it was written by AI. Maybe a couple little things edited, but it just blocks the text. You know, I can get AI to write much better articles than this, and I'm going to show you more what mine look like using completely AI, meaning I didn't write a word of them except for maybe the closing statement. There's nothing great about this article whatsoever, and you can see they put the websites up here, which a lot of times for people these will be affiliate links or something, because you can monetize these articles. You can link to anything you want in them. You could put an image in the middle of it and make it a call to action on the image and link to it. You can put an image anywhere in here on the bottom. You can link to any of the words. You can link to your blog. You can link to whatever you want. And, you know, good practice is to link in several places throughout the article to keywords that match up to whatever you're promoting. Maybe put an image in there with a call to action of what you want people to go and become a lead of yours or to purchase something. And of course, with this article, you definitely would want to have some traffic sources that you either own and you make money from, or you're an affiliate for and you make commissions from. And that's why this is put then here, because this is a buyer intent keyword. So you really want the places, and you can see they put our top 12 websites of 2004. You can see that there's not even 12 here. Okay. Again, Google's bots that crawl people's sites and they claim there's all these different things to how things rank and all this, and then it can read with the words on the page and tell the difference between AI and not AI. Google can't. They're bots. They can't tell the difference of anything. It basically comes down to keywords in the article, what the content is about, and it doesn't even have to be perfect, because look, our top 12 websites, there's only 5 listed here. And the other thing is, I mean, this is all bulk paragraphs. This isn't even easy to read. And normally Google and SEO tells you want to make it for the reader's experience so they can read it easy, meaning you don't put big blobs of text. Well, this is just nothing but a big blob of text. So obviously, Google's ranking this based on domain authority. See, and you're going to piggyback off LinkedIn's domain authority, because LinkedIn has tons of links, other websites, platforms linking to it. And that's what gives it that domain authority, because there's tens of hundreds of thousands of other websites linking to LinkedIn. And so those links create what's called domain authority. And you piggyback off that because LinkedIn allows you to write articles, post, and they're public. They can get indexed into search engines. And right now in Google's trends, in their last updates, these sites that have this huge authority like Medium, Reddit, there's forums, even ranking super high in the search terms, in the search engines for buyer intent keywords. So if you haven't jumped on this, whatever niche you're in, you can use this traffic for whatever you want. And like I said, that article or that video I did in YouTube that I pointed out earlier is going to show you exactly how you can write these articles literally better than this, way better than this, without writing a single word yourself. There is no better traffic than traffic looking for what you have. And you can see by this article, if you were to read it, you'll find all kinds of things wrong with it. But Google can tell it's got the right number of keywords in it because someone had AI write it, and it ranks for buyer intent keywords. So that's why I'm doing this video today, and I hope you watch it this far to really understand that when I did that article, I'm really trying to help people to see how we make tons of sales, how we build rock solid a network marketing business where we sponsor people all the time. In our first 30 days in the company we're with, we sponsored like 67, 70 people in the first 30 days. Why? Because we drive tons of traffic, and we have lots of traffic that comes to us because of all the traffic sources we use. And that's what we show you how to do. Now, that's the last thing I want to show you real quick is LinkedIn. You can see my articles that I've been starting to put out using different keywords, but they always link back to my other content, my videos, and my network marketing opportunity. By the way, I'll leave a link below in this video in the description to the network marketing company that we are building. And I will also leave a link to Profitalize, Johnny's free book. He has a great course on marketing that will all be in the description, as well as the link to the video first to the process of exactly how you do this. I'm going to show you on the screen exactly how I compose and did these articles. Exactly. All the videos in that series, How to Get 10,000 Website Visitors a Day, all these are screen share, how do what I do, watch what I do on my screen, do what I do. And this stuff works, obviously, because otherwise I wouldn't be successful, and neither would be my son. And we've been making our living this way for a super long time. So in these articles, you will see, I'm going to go to just one of mine real quick. One thing I learned since doing that video that shows you exactly how to do this process is I do link a little bit more. Before I used to mainly put like 3-4 links throughout the article. Now I link a little bit more. Depends on the content. What's, the words. You always want to link to things that are relevant. So when somebody clicks on it, it brings to something relevant. And of course, you would like that stuff to be something that you're offering so that you can build your email list. You could put an image in this article and have it look like an opt-in form if you're building your email list using an autoresponder yourself or whatever, and you could link to it to actually open to your autoresponder page, and they click on it to put their name and email in, and it opens it up, and then they actually put their name and email in it and become a lead. You could use this to build leads, and if you're like us in the company we are in, they provide us with lead capture pages. We use them because they work, they're super effective, and we link to those, or we use images like this at the bottom, and this is linked to our link to our network marketing business, as well as greatlifemoney.com. When somebody types that in their browser, that redirects, and I show you how to do that in this video series as well. You will learn how I do all of these things. They're all very simple because everything I show you how to do is step-by-step screen share. You will learn everything we know about how to build and drive traffic through various means, and every one of these means can play a huge part. Search engine traffic's not going to happen overnight, but is it worth it to do it and put out a bunch of articles? Absolutely. These are pillars, like YouTube videos. They're pillars. They don't go away. They can drive traffic from LinkedIn. People can share them. They can get shared in all over, all kinds of different social media. And people do. Some of my articles have been shared multiple times. And then the search engine traffic itself, when you rank for some of these keywords, which is one of the big goals, is you put out enough articles. And even in that video, I show how I go get some of the titles for my videos and how I have AI write this. But it's all in the commands you tell it. In this article that I put together here, you can see this one's easier to read than that article I showed you that is ranking with just big blobs of text, and they didn't even finish the damn article. In mine, maybe I fix a few little sentences here to say something more I want so I can link to something specifically, but a lot more bulleted points, broken up paragraphs so it's not big blobs. See, that's much easier to read. Smaller paragraphs, and again, more sections, so everything is easier to read in the long run for people. And then, of course, I added a couple images, and then what I'm probably going to start to do is add an image in the middle of all my articles too, and I would do that on the Canva, and I show you exactly how to do that in that other video. So again, to get that other video, and make sure you watch it and you do this. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, you set one up and you build out your profile, and then you start writing articles. You also can write posts. Posts are usually shorter. I've even seen post rank lately in the search results because you can post images, videos, text. But these articles is what I'm after and what I'm teaching people, because I believe in the long run these pillars can drive a horde of traffic for people. And I got a guy who recently started following the advice in that video, and he has literally put out already 70 articles on LinkedIn, and his engagement is going through the roof on LinkedIn, which is fabulous, because we have made tons of sales through LinkedIn, using LinkedIn over the years for affiliate marketing, network marketing, you name it. We have built our leads list using LinkedIn. It's one part in our arsenal, because there are hundreds of thousands of people, millions of people that use LinkedIn, and all of this stuff can get indexed in search engines. And I know this video is long, but it's that important. Sometimes in life you got to do the work to get the reward. Don't look at this like I can't do that, because absolutely you can, because the AI tools, there are a million different AI tools out there that can write great articles for you. And I show you in that video again how you can do this, and anybody can do this. So make sure you follow everything. Just don't expect results immediately overnight. That's not the way it works. You start producing content, you start driving traffic, it starts to build, you can start getting some leads, and that starts to compound. You follow up with leads, they start to turn into sales, and blah, blah, blah. That's the way marketing is. All the money is made in the marketing. Remember that. So please take the time, and I can't implore you enough to follow my instructions in that series that I have, how to get 10,000 website visitors a day, because as you do this, you absolutely will, and you will become a marketing master. I guarantee it if you do everything we teach you how to do and that I show you in these videos. So other than that, my friend, I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on another video.